Today, I'm going to show you 3 amazing chicken recipes that will revolutionize your kitchen routine. These dishes are quick, nutritious, and full of flavor, perfect for anyone looking to eat well without complications. Stay with me until the end to learn how to make meals that will win over your family and leave you bursting with energy. With simple ingredients and easy steps, you'll discover how to prepare healthy dishes that look gourmet but fit perfectly into your everyday life. Shall we start? Leave a like now if you love practical and healthy recipes. Let's dive into today's 3 recipes. A creamy baked chicken with potatoes, caramelized chicken thighs with a sweet touch of honey, and a garlic lemon creamy chicken that's bursting with flavor. All of them use simple ingredients, are high in protein, and perfect for a balanced diet. Ready to start? First recipe, baked chicken with potatoes and cream. You'll need 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 3 chopped potatoes, 2 chicken breasts, 2 eggs, 470 milliliters of heavy cream, 2 sliced tomatoes optional, mozzarella cheese to taste, optional parsley, salt, black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of herbes de Provence, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Heat the butter or oil in a pan and saute the onion. Season with salt and black pepper. Add the potatoes, drizzle with olive oil, and season again. Season the chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and sweet paprika, and place them in the pan. In a bowl, mix the eggs, cream, herbes de Provence, nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Pour this mixture into the pan, cover with aluminum foil, and bake at 190 degrees Celsius 374 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. If you like, add sliced tomatoes and mozzarella on top, and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes without the foil. Finish with chopped parsley, if desired. Tip: no oven. Cook on low heat until the chicken and potatoes are tender. Serve with a green salad for an extra fresh touch. This dish is rich in lean protein and super comforting. Second recipe, caramelized chicken thighs with potatoes. Grab 2 tablespoons of olive oil. For skin-on chicken thighs, 300 g of chopped potatoes, 1 chopped chili pepper, 200 milliliters of chicken broth or water, 2 tablespoons of honey, parsley, sea salt, black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Heat the oil in a pan, season the thighs with sea salt, and place them skin side down. Caramelize over medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes until golden. Flip and fry for another 5 minutes. Remove the thighs and set aside. Add the potatoes and chili to the pan, season with salt, black pepper, and sweet paprika. Add the honey and chicken broth, and return the thighs to the pan. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. Finish with chopped parsley. This dish goes great with steamed vegetables, and the honey adds a natural sweetness that reduces the need for refined sugars. What side dish would you pair it with? Third recipe, chicken with creamy garlic and lemon sauce. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, 5 minced garlic cloves, 1 chopped onion, 3 chicken breasts, 170 milliliters of chicken broth or warm water, 170 milliliters of heavy cream, juice of half a lemon, a handful of parsley, salt, black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Heat the olive oil in a skillet over low heat and add to garlic cloves. Season the chicken with salt and pepper, and fry until golden, about 9 to 10 minutes on one side and 8 minutes on the other. Set the chicken aside. In the same skillet, add the butter, the remaining 3 garlic cloves, and the onion, and saute. Add the chicken broth, cream, lemon juice, nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Return the chicken to the skillet, cover, and cook for 15 minutes. Finish with chopped parsley. Serve with brown rice or quinoa for a super nutritious dish. The lemon adds a touch of vitamin C, and you can use light cream to make it even healthier. These 3 recipes are perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthy without giving up flavor. Which one will you try first? The creamy, the caramelized, or the citrusy one? And if you're looking for more simple and delicious recipes to help you lose weight without sacrificing flavor, the Slim and Savor ebook 30 Easy Global Recipes to Lose Weight Without Giving Up Taste offers incredible and super easy dishes to make. The link is in the description. Check it out later. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more ideas like these. Comment your favorite recipe below. In the next video, we'll have more tips for your healthy kitchen. See you then.